This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you're signed into the YouTube account whose history you want to clear. This ensures you don't delete another profile's activity. Next, open YouTube in the app or a browser and navigate to Library then History, or use the left sidebar and click History. Once there, you'll see Watch and Search History filters. Make sure to select the correct history type before proceeding so you only remove what you intend to remove. Now you'll choose which record to clear, Watch History or Search History. This distinction matters because they affect recommendations differently. For individual entries, click the three-dot icon next to a video or search and select Remove. This is useful for selective cleanup. If you want a fresh start, click Clear All Watch History or Clear All Search History. This bulk action removes everything and resets recommendations. Once done, YouTube stops using the cleared items for suggestions, reducing unwanted recommendations. Finish by pausing history if you don't want future activity tracked. Use Pause Watch History or Pause Search History in the history controls so new views won't be recorded. Also check Google Account Activity Controls to confirm YouTube activity isn't being stored elsewhere. Make sure device sync settings aren't re-adding entries. If clearing fails, sign out and back in, clear your app or browser cache, or perform the action on desktop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.